Cheesy Garlic Biscuits. That doesn't sound right. On this channel?
Oh, it is.
Roll the intro. What is up, my keto friends? And you know exactly who you are. My name is Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Welcome back to another video on this channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, do me a favor, start now by clicking the subscribe button right below us, then move over a little bit, click the bell, hit the word all so you do not miss anything on this channel. Like I said before, biscuits. Who knew you could have biscuits on keto? I didn't until we made this recipe today that we're going to show you.
You've eaten biscuits before, don't lie.
Yeah. Pillsbury. Woo-hoo, Pillsbury boy, make you laugh.
I've made a couple of keto biscuits before.
Have you?
Yeah, we haven't done it on
Okay,
video.
look. First of all, we started this out, this particular one as dinner rolls.
Yeah.
But they have morphed into, they look more like biscuits. They look like a bigger version of the cheesy garlic biscuits you get at Red Lobster.
Look, can I say
and
something?
who doesn't love those things, right?
Let me say something.
What?
Okay, this is something I do not like. So if you do this, you're a cheater. Okay, what I'm saying is this. Do not take a picture of a recipe and pretend that this is the same picture of the actual thing that you just made. And the reason I say that is because this recipe I saw online, I'm not going to name any names, but I saw this recipe online. The picture looked flippin' amazing. And I looked at it and I was like, there ain't. And I said ain't. There ain't no way that that's keto. There's no way. It was as a keto recipe, it was dinner rolls, and it looked like, you know, those Hawaiian rolls, like how you can pull them apart.
King Hawaiian
they
rolls,
were baked together, like where you had to pull them apart. And I was like, there ain't no way that is for real.
I think
I baked
Susan
the
just
recipe.
called somebody out on that one.
I baked the recipe exactly like it said, and yeah, it turned out like a biscuit. I did this like the other day.
Well, let me tell you this.
But it was really good. It tasted good. It was really, really good. So I was like, you know what? We need to make that
you're right. They were very good. That's why we decided to do this video.
Yeah. But we ain't calling them rolls. We're calling them what they look like, which is a biscuit.
A biscuit. And not like I said, they look like a large version of the Red Lobster garlic. Oh, yeah. Somebody stopped me with that. So without further ado, let's show you how to make these babies. Oh yeah, by the way, down in the South, biscuits and gravy, y'all.
And for today's recipe, we have 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of coconut flour, 1/4 cup of whey protein, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Won't you say why you're a stranger now? Your eyes escaping mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on onto a fairy tale, but the magic's gone? Been months of bluffing the blushes and faking the butterflies. Wake up, yeah, I'm kicking the castle down. Ooh, yeah, I think it's time to talk. Ooh, yeah, I think it's time to
Pennsylvania, la saca de bicicleta.
Don't know what that means.
Rose, Rose. Cheddar Bay roll. Okay, look, guys.
But see what I mean? See how these turned out like more like a biscuit, not like a roll. Now, I did the other day, like, I don't know if this is a thing anywhere else, but like down here, if you put your, if you put your biscuits together, they rise better.
Together.
Singly. Yeah.
Together we rise better.
Yeah.
Somebody tweet that. That's tweetable. However, these, as you saw in the video just before, as we presented how to make these, she put them with the ice cream scoop, like individually, and they turn out to be more like a biscuit style. But the other day they did look more roll-ish, but it's the same recipe, so beep.
And I also put butter on the biscuits. I melted a little butter. I didn't put that in the...
Yeah, we did.
No, but I mean, I'm saying I didn't say that I added butter
to the top.
But I did.
But you showed it.
I'm just saying. Don't call me out that I didn't.
Oh, wait a minute.
These are really good.
Oh, the garlic is popping out of here.
You know, also you could add cheddar cheese in it to actually make it more of a cheddar bay biscuit. These are just cheesy biscuits because of the
mozzarella.
The mozzarella. Dude, you should see. You should show that. That's like you can see those the Italian seasoning.
What do you got in there?
Hold on.
Huh?
Oh yeah. Perfect.
Peak game on that.
Oh, this is good.
I'm thinking, what would these go good with?
Soup.
All right, what I'm thinking next is cutting those up. Sausage, bacon, eggs. I'm just saying, I could eat that.
On a garlic biscuit?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, who couldn't, right?
They're very delicious.
All
Very
right, guys.
garlicky. I like the amount of garlic that's in it.
That's the real deal there, folks. Oh boy.
Another break there.
Yeah, that's the real deal. If you want to make biscuits and add the cheddar to it for the red lobster experience, do that. That's the video, guys. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and also leave a comment below if you've tried these biscuits at home.
Or you're gonna try them.
Or this recipe, yeah. Or if you said, hey, Byron, I like the way your hair looks today.
And guys, thank you so much for all the comments we've been getting. It really does our heart good to see that people are actually enjoying our content and actually enjoying the recipes. And if you don't like the recipe, let us know. Maybe we can tweak it and, make it better.
Yeah, and if you'd like to, you can reach out to us either on comments on YouTube, this channel here, or our Facebook page at Keto Friends, My Keto Friends page on Facebook, and drop us a post out there of whatever recipe you want to see us make. So we're also on Twitter at My Keto Friends, and also on Instagram, My Keto Friends. Of course, everybody already knew that. So I'm just letting you know, maybe that's an easier way for you to reach out to us and say, hey, I want you to cook eggs and bacon with grits on top.
Nobody's gonna do that.
I'm just saying. Anyway, that's the video, guys. If you loved these biscuits, let us know.
You've already said that.
I've already said that. I'm repeating myself now. It's the hair. So, until next time, keep it Red Lobster, keto. That one makes sense because the where are you going?